Hello, I'm Rob Walker. This is a quick demo of the live audio search feature of Orion, and we're going to use it to find some breath sounds. So first of all, I've connected a microphone to my audio interface. I could have used my laptop's inbuilt microphone, but here we go. I'll just perform the type of breath that I want it to look for. Okay, so we do a search, and here are the results. At the top of the list are the ones closest to the red colour, which is the best matches, and down the bottom it goes towards blue, which is not as good a match. So let's see what we find. And not surprisingly, it's found a recording of me when I had an asthmatic wheeze. So you'll see in the display there's a yellow box around the file. It's actually separated everything into chunks. The different colour of each chunk indicates how good a match it is for what I just did. So let's see what else we've got. Here's quite a long recording, and it thinks that one is a good match. Again, that very creepy asthmatic one is me. That one, there's a little chuckle before it. But we've got some good results there, mostly male, one or two female as well. And within that long asthma breath, it's prioritised which breathing sounds it thinks are better than others. So the other thing you could use this for is to search through production sound. So here I've done a search just within my own existing sound library, but you could also use it to search through production sound. And the great thing is, it doesn't matter if breath is in the name or the description. Here's some uncatalogued, unedited audio. Orion has been able to find a good audio match there for that breathing, even though the file is not even named. You could also use Orion to search through the rushes folder for a specific production to find breaths from a certain character. You would feed it an example using the AAX plugin, and that would give Orion a reference for the sound of the breathing, and then it would just search through the rushes folder for breaths from that character. You could also use Orion to search for alternate production effects. So perhaps you have some useful sounds of footsteps, or maybe a specific prop from the set, and you want to see if there's any more examples of that. Within the rushes, you feed it an example, and Orion will look through all the rushes and find any matches that it can. So it's a very powerful and flexible bit of software.